They're coming.
Or they got 65,
65 open and 65 clutch. Nope, 2 gate drops. 2 gate drops.
These are the second group.
He's over here.
Who's over there?
Mom can tell you. He's in last. Come on, Burberry. Yeah, he doesn't get good starts though.
What?
He doesn't ever get good starts. Yeah. There he goes, there he goes. Go, go, go! That's Gavin.
Right behind him.
He's got Joey on his tail. He rode hard in the practice. Braden doesn't clear that though. Go, Braden, go! They're all there together though. This is good. He's going. He's riding good. This is the best I think he's done on his 65 over here in a race. He's about lost it, it looks like.
He's coming. He's coming fast.
He's gonna pass Gavin.
Yeah. He's right up on Joey. Stop. Don't yell. Nobody can hear you.
They're all hanging together. This is a good race. Yep, just about.
Just about had him. What? I didn't see nobody go down. If they did, then Braden just went around them all.
Braden's out in front.
Oh, there is one down.
Yeah, Gavin went down, I think. Or was it Joey? It's Joey that's down.
Oh.
Joey's down. Braden's out in front. Hold him down, buddy! Hold him down! Yeah, Joey's back up, I think. I thought I saw him up.
Well, I don't see him moving if he is.
He's over here. He's going to be coming around the turn, I think.
Oh, what color bike was Joe?
He's on blue. He's got a white helmet. This is Joey right here. He's up. Yeah, that's Joey.
Yeah, well, you gotta get his butt moving.
As long as he doesn't go down, he's doing really, really good. He's doing really good.
There he
go. He did it! You see that? Hey, that was as close he's ever done. He said he wanted to do it today. No, he's doing really good. Yeah, you can see him get swirly there. Yeah, but Joey's wasting no time. Look at.
White flag's coming.
Look. Right here's Joey.
Yeah.
He ain't wasting any time.
Yeah, but he's a long ways away from
But
catching up.
he ain't wasting any time. He's riding.
There's one lap to go.
Oh, is it?
He's got the white flag in his hand. We'll see what flag that Braden gets.
I've got it on video. He's back there. He made the turn. He's coming. He's doing awesome.
You might just stay through the 50 and he's going to 65.
I know.
Oh, take it easy through there. You said there's a lot of sand down there.
Yeah, he went down there earlier.
On the 50.
Yeah.
Coming.
That's the best I've seen him.
Very good.
Very good. He's doing good for just starting.
Very good.
That's Gavin.
Time to find the lab.
Oh, did he get the white flag?
Yeah.
Come on, Bray.
Hey, what are you slowing down for?
He might have hit mud. You don't know what's over there.
Wait, there goes Daddy. He's still being a lead.
I don't know.
Shall we go down again?
I don't think so.
Oh, right here's his dad. He had to have gone down again. I haven't either. And he wasn't too far off. I don't know where he's down. He's down somewhere.
Yeah, but where? Oh, he's way back there.
He must have gone down back there again. It must be a bad area. You stay on two wheels, buddy. You're doing awesome.
He loves the 65 out here on this track.
He's made a big improvement on it over here.
He likes it better than the 50 out here. His suspension.
Well, and all these big ruts too. That makes a difference. It's easier to go through with the bigger bike.
The bigger tires?
He keeps it up. This is good. Very, very good for him. Now, can we get the main rained out?
The what?
Can the main be rained out? He'll take this.
Both down. It's got a lot of
It's got
sand in it.
ruts, Bob.
He says there's a lot of sand in that one.